Good morning. You find me halfway through a job, for which I apologise, and then we realised it was definitely worthy of a simple video. Mike's car, just come back from New Zealand. Its Dashtop has had a hard time. It's had bits bolted on top, bits of Velcro, because it's got a modified instrument binnacle. This had all been lifted off, and indeed, just with tiny pressure in the fingertips, the whole lot just lifted straight off the metal dash. So, we removed the 6 screws. There, that go through the leading edge of the vinyl, then through the metal dash top, and finally into